So, hello everyone, my name is Aaron Christian Niloto from BS Crim 22, and now I will discuss the difference between investigation and criminal investigation. So let me first tackle the investigation. So investigation, it's talk about anything, or it's a broad definition. So malawak yung hawak ng investigation. Pag sinabi nating investigation is an act or process na sinusunod. So may step-by-step method siya na sinusunod sa mabusising pagtatanong or pag-search ng isang bagay. So malawak. And galing siya sa Latin word na investigare. It means trace or track. So yun lang tatandaan natin sa investigation, is a broad definition or malawak yung sakop niya. So next naman is criminal investigation. So criminal investigation, it's a process, or meron din siyang process na sinusunod na carefully examination of search ng kung anong nangyari sa criminal act. So sa criminal investigation naman is specific. So kaya sinabi siyang specific kasi tumutukoy lang siya sa crime, criminal act, or crime scene. So pag sinabi nating criminal investigation, it's all about crime. Doon lang nakapokus yung investigation na nangyayari. So in conclusion, the investigation is general search for facts, and criminal investigation naman is the special kind of investigation na nakapokus lang sa crime. So thank you, at sana marami kayong natutunan.